Hello and welcome back to my another video. It's me Towhid in front of you. Hope that all are doing great. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today in this video, I would love to share with you how I actually started my English journey. Actually, you know very well, every learner, especially English learner as well as others learner, they used to hard works. Without hard works, nothing is possible. So if you really want to something new for your future, for your life, to lead good life, you have to sacrifice, you have to do hard work. So without hard work, it's not be possible to achieve something. So first you have to remember it. First you have to think about it. So my dear brothers and sisters, why I'm talking to about this topic actually? It is very necessary for our life, dear brothers. I've seen lots of crazy learners. They want to speak English, and they really want to speak English, brother. I want to speak English at any cost, brother. I have a determination, I have a power, and I think I can do everything. After 3 months, they leave it from their journey. So what is the process? What is the process they followed actually? They followed wrong process. That's why they leave it. So I try to understand you. If you really want to speak English, if you really want to achieve something, you need a clear mindset, a strong mindset, a positive mindset. Without positive mindset, it's not going to be possible to achieve something. So my dear brothers and sisters, this video is really important for you. So what should you do? Dear brothers and sisters, you have to take your own responsibility. No one take your responsibility. When I started my English journey, no one helped me. Just I was only one boy who was so dedicated, who was so nervous, who was so frustrated, but I never give up. I believe I can do it. I have to achieve something new from there. So I never stopped my English journey. So I know very well you have a lots of determination, you have a lots of actually dedication to achieve something, to speak English and other things. It's up to you actually. You have to take your own responsibility. So, and lots of brothers I have seen, they give so many excuses. Brother, I have that problem. I have no partner to talk, to make conversation, to talk, to chat. So brothers, when I started my English journey, I didn't make any conversation with someone. Actually, I don't need any kind of friends because I know I can improve my English by myself. I have a determination. I can talk with the tree. I can talk with the object. I can talk with the subject. So this is my power. So you have to have clear mindset. And I noticed one thing very clearly, that is the thing we're facing every day. And lots of brother ask me, brother, I have seen lots of SMS, but you didn't see. What is wrong actually? Brother, you have to accept the reality. I have lots of work. I have to do work. Actually, I don't get free time to see your SMS. So you have to accept the reality, brother. I have lots of work. I have to run my family. You have to run your family. So you have to accept it, brother. Don't depend on others. Just depend on yourself. This is my final request. So if you understand my words, please let me know. This video's main point is you have to understand the reality. You have to accept your own responsibility. No one can help you. Just you can help yourself. Mind it. All the best.